But for the takers as well, of course. And it's been saved.
He's so focused there. Fantastic save.
Into that corner. Well taken penalty. Denied by the crossbar.
He was inches away from being a great spot kick, but he's hit the woodwork.
Far too close to the goalkeeper.
That's a lovely stop from the keeper. He's done his teammates proud with that one.
He outsmarted the keeper and it's in. Another great save by the keeper.
Oh, the keeper's done brilliantly to keep his eye on the ball and make such a great save.
Oh no, he's missed it.
Dear oh dear, he's put it wide. Not a great penalty at all.
He's put it to the left side. Calmly, precisely, he puts the ball down. Everyone in the stadium holding their breath. Now this is real pressure. It hit the bar. They were put on the spot and they found the answer to every question. Something about penalties appeals to the footballing public. You just can't look away. They've won it and they're overjoyed.
Well, it's been such a long match, and the penalty shootout is always a difficult way to end the game. But I thought they did really well to hold their nerve and come through.
And that's the end of tonight.